Oh no, my OnePlus phone is all black and white colors only. So here's what you can do. So the first thing I want you to do is go into your main settings of your OnePlus phone. To do this, use a quick access, tap on the settings toggle right here, and from there go down to where it says display. And chances are your eye comfort is enabled and set to black and white colors only. So go to eye comfort right here, and from here you'll see the eye comfort turned on. Once it's turned on, you'll see the custom section here, and you can choose display effects. You're going to where it says display effects, make sure it's set to color, okay? So if you want to keep your eye comfort enabled, but with full colors, keep it on the color section, okay? And that'll bring you back your full colors, all right? I'll show you the next way that this could possibly happen to you. The second reason why your display colors are black and white is possibly your bedtime mode. You see that little moon icon up here? That means your bedtime mode is enabled. So use the quick access and look for the toggle known as bedtime mode. And it could be that this is turned on. All right. So tap on it one time to disable it, or tap on it a second time, or even long press it to get access to the settings, okay? I also want you to come back into the bedtime mode and go to where it says customize, okay? So when you're here in the customize section, you see the screen options at bedtime. This is gonna give you access to the grayscale, which is probably the reason why your colors are black and white. So by disabling this here, you get to keep your colors while bedtime mode is on, all right? And if you go back here now and I turn it off, you can still have your colors and also turn it on and still have your colors, okay? And I'll show you the last way also that your colors could be in black and white mode. Finally, you can check the color correction settings as it might be enabled and set to grayscale. You can first try long pressing the volume up and down keys down for 3 seconds and see if it disables the shortcut to this color settings. Next up, you can use a quick access here. If that doesn't work, go here to settings, and once you're in the main settings of your OnePlus phone, go down to where it says the accessibility and convenience, this option here. Now that you're here, you'll go to accessibility. Under accessibility, you'll see the vision option here. Go here now and you'll see these different set of vision or display options. Go to where it says color correction. And from here now, if it's turned on, turn it off and you'll get back your actual original colors, okay? Now, I just want to show you that if you want to use the color correction or disable the shortcut, go back here and turn it on, and just make sure the grayscale is set to another set of colors, and disable the shortcut if you don't want to accidentally turn it on again. Then turn off the color correction, and that shouldn't happen again unless you turn it on. Like and sub if this guide helped, and thanks for watching.